I think when you work with a new piece of art, you have to really be present to what the music is saying, to what the dancers are doing in front of you, and that specific moment in time. And that's the joy of live art. That's the joy of being together in that moment and really experience how art can change us. Hello, my name is Maria Konrad, and I am a choreographer and international teacher. Philadelphia has been part of my bones and my family. When I come here, I feel very at home. My dad grew up on Elmwood Avenue in Southwest, but he also went to West Catholic and was a football star. I went to the University of the Arts. That cultural connection from right down the street on Broad is so deep to who I am. The roots and what I'm proud of what's being built here comes from a very long way, and I'm very passionate about it.
My name is Amane Sakaguchi. I'm a second-year master's student at Curtis Institute of Music. So I was born to a family who carries on the tradition of nagauta, a genre of traditional music, for more than 200 years. I've collaborated with traditional Japanese dancers, and this time with ballet dancers. I imagine this picture of something specific, bamboo forest, or sometimes matcha, or fireworks. And this time it was Komorebi, which means sunlight to filter through leaves. And I found out that there's not that word in English. I wanted to share that beautiful moment with the ballet dancers and Maria and everyone.
The look of the light as it refracts off of the natural elements. We really played with that idea with the dancers' bodies, what that looks like when they move and the light refracts, but also the ideas of pulling out each dancer on their own, but working together as a unit.
I saw this little video that Peter took, that dancers were dancing with my music. And I got goosebumps immediately because it was exactly what I was imagining in my head. It was such a magical moment. Music could convey something visual.
What I love about the dancers at the Rock School is that there's space for everyone. What they're looking for is the next generation of artists to influence what's next. What I really experienced from the dancers is they were so respectful, they were very willing, and they just wanted to be in the room and being part of the process. And that's what's so important. And that's why we have to keep funding going for the arts, because these artists are finding their voices in a world where they wouldn't normally find their voice.